What's going on, guys? We just got done filming and got a bunch of great content done. I thought it'd be kind of a fun opportunity for us to bring you guys along for a day in the life of what it's like to work at MIgardener. Kind of just follow me around. We have a lot of fun usually. I got a lot of work to do, so I thought, why not get two things done at once? So let's go. So after filming, we film on Mondays and Tuesdays. There's usually a little time left in the day to go back to the office. So since it's Monday, that's what we're gonna do. Wednesdays, Mrs. MIgardener goes in the office. She works on our beautiful newsletter. And I typically watch the kiddos. So since it is Monday, we're gonna head back to the office. I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'm not sure what it's gonna look like once we get there, but we'll figure it out. Don't mind the chaos in my car. So I go fishing after work or before work sometimes, and then I got a car seat, a power washer, my golf clubs, basically like a work van, but it's my life basically in a car. Let's go. I usually walk through the employee side just because that has a ringer on it, and it usually sends someone to the front thinking that it's a customer, so. Little secret entrance. So right now we're just kind of video planning out what we want to do because we actually pre-record a lot of our videos. So Ashlyn is actually our editor, and so well, she's a videographer and editor, and so we're kind of just getting our plan together for what we're going to upload when, so that it has the best chance of success. So what are we thinking for? So today, and obviously you guys are going to see this way in advance, but so today is going to be the 5 things to add to a fall garden.
Yep. Yeah, and then Wednesday we have either doing 3 things to not do to your fall garden, or we can switch it out with 3 garlic recipes.
I think we should switch it out with 3 garlic recipes because it's kind of a cooking adjacent.
Yeah.
You know, and I know that a lot of people do like those, and a lot of people wanted to see how we do the fermented honey and garlic. So I think if we added that, it'd be good, because then if we waited, because then the week after that's Thanksgiving week, right? Because then it'd be garlic, there'd be the cinnamon roll, right? And then apple crisp.
Yeah, it would all be yeah. So 3 back-to-back.
3 back-to-back like recipe in the kitchen at least videos. And I think it'd be, because it's not even that cold out yet. So like I think if they still get the vibe that we're still in the garden, because we are. Yeah. It'd be good.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
no, I like that.
Cool. Yeah, we'll do that.
So we'll switch that out. And plus Friday would probably perform really well. The Friday ones do really well.
Yeah.
Cool.
There you go. That's what you guys are gonna see. Well, you guys will already have seen that, and then this will just be like, oh, that's what happened. So we're doing something kind of fun here. We actually have a Santa's wish list. We do a Christmas party every year, and so every person kind of has a secret Santa. So we kind of we write like little notes when we hear stuff, like little whisperings of stuff. So yeah, this is really cool. But I'm excited. This is the first year we've done something. This is a huge team. Happy birthday to you. So one thing we really do is a lot of times we do work hard, play hard type stuff, and we just finished up a birthday for Karen, who works here, and we actually have a ping pong table, courtesy of Casey. So eventually I'm gonna jump in here and play, but I don't know. I'm playing whoever wins, which is not great because I'm not great at ping pong. Oh, great. My chocolate bagels will be done soon. I can smell it. So another kind of fun perk about working at MIgardener is we have work parties, and we kind of party a lot actually. We do get your orders out, but today we're having a birthday party, and we had a bagel birthday party, a bagel bar as we call it, and so I went with a brown sugar pecan cream cheese and a chocolate chip bagel. I know I had, this is seconds actually. My first one was my first one was jalapeno. What is this? Jalapeno and this one, spicy jalapeno cream cheese with a pizza bagel. Ooh, so good. There's none left, but this one's good. That's so good. So good. Hi, yes, my name is Luke Marion, and I'm calling to speak with the person who's in charge of purchasing for your location. So we have, I'm glad you asked. So we actually have 750 different vegetable seeds that we package for the home garden. And we also have 4 different fertilizers. We're actually local here in Michigan. We're local to you guys. We're out of St. Clair, Michigan. And we've been in business for 12 years, going on 13. And we basically are just looking at getting into some retail locations in the Great Lakes region. So Michigan, Ohio, and stuff like that. So yeah, I was just calling to reach out to see if you guys might be interested. That is awesome. So my name is Luke Marion. I'm calling from MIgardener. We're actually based out of St. Clair, Michigan. So we're pretty local to you guys. I love Saginaw, very familiar with the area. And I was calling because we're trying to reach out for the 2024 season. We just started doing wholesale as of last year. And we have a lot of locations that are doing really, really well with our seeds and our fertilizer. First of all, I want to thank you, Steve, for your time. I can't tell you how many people just hang up on you. And that is how it's done. I can safely say though, it's hilarious because they are not usually that easygoing. It's like I said, it's a cold call, right? And we don't like to cold call, but we're trying to build out this wholesale platform because a lot of you guys that are watching our videos want to find our physical products in stores. And we always say, if you want to get our products out there, sometimes it just is persistence. Telling a local greenhouse or garden center, hey, check out his products. MIgardener's got seeds and fertilizer, and have him reach out to us. Because unfortunately, you guys know about us, and the people you tell know about us, but there is a lot of people that have not yet heard about us. So that went over very, very well. So that's sometimes that's the nitty gritty on wholesaling. Not always fun, but it does have a great payoff. So that is a very prospective client. So we're just working on the pin of the month. Of course, you guys have already seen this design because when this video airs, this one will already have dropped. But we're doing a pin of the month for those that want kind of an MIgardener exclusive, exciting experience. And I love this one. This is one of my favorite. I love this one so much right now. One of my favorites. But it says, heirlooms make the world go round. It's a little space scene. Super cool. So Miss MIgardener did a great job.
She teamwork there.
Yeah, well, it was more like my idea, and that's about as far as it went. She did the rest. So, but yeah, no, that's awesome. So basically the premise is that it's a limited time item, and when it's sold out, we're never bringing it back. It's just when it's sold out, it's sold out. So it's kind of a fun thing, kind of mixes things up a little bit, and they're definitely a little labor intensive, but they're fun. I love it. So that's what we're doing right now, and then after this is done, I think we're gonna maybe pack some seeds. All right, so we're gonna pack some seeds. I think it'd be kind of a good idea, Ashlyn. We got our Tokyo long bunching that are selling out, so we gotta get some more. But we got our packets, got our seed. We're good to go. Let's go. All right, so we got our seed packing. This is our seed packing station over here. We've got lots of different machines. These machines are anywhere from 100 years old all the way up to about 60 years old. This one here is one of our newer ones, and still pretty old, but they're still, we call them old reliable for a reason. So this is one of my favorites. This one over here was the very first machine we got. Check this out. This one over here is 100 years old, and it's way different compared to the others. But basically everything, all this is the same, but the gear mechanism is a lever versus a button. It's crazy. So these are really fun. So we got this is the scoop size for the onion, and it's basically volumetric. So like it's like using a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, stuff like that. You can set it. You can set the pitch to adjust it even further, and basically we always account for about a 5 to 10% margin of error 5% on larger seeds where it's way easier, and then 10% on smaller seeds where I don't want to sit there and count out 300 onion seeds every time. So it kind of just helps to make sure that we keep up with what we're promising. So when you guys go on to MIgardener.com, a lot of you have asked what it takes to get a seed into a packet, into an order, into your door. So I'm doing the first part of that journey right now. All of our seeds come in from our farmers. We catalog them. Then from there, we do necessary germination testing, things like that. After germination testing, if they pass, or sometimes the farmers will do the germination testing for us. Once they pass, we catalog them on the shelf. Then from there, they're good to go into the packing line, and we pack them. We either hand pack or machine pack. For seeds like this, totally fine machine packing. But some seeds, for instance, finish that thought in a second. I gotta find my packet weight. So we just use a big bundle of old packets to kind of hold them down, gives it a little bit of pressure. But either we hand pack or machine pack. Seeds like this we'll machine pack, but if it's really super small, or sometimes it's really big or might be a little dusty, those ones we hand pack, just because we don't want to kick up a bunch of dust. That's not great. We also don't want to make a mess with small seeds, because obviously all of our seed is very expensive, and some seed is incredibly expensive. Ashlyn, what do you think? What do you think the most expensive seed we have here is? Our cost.
Some form of tomato.
You would be close to correct. You'd be close to correct. Our most expensive seed is actually our butterfly milkweed, and it is roughly about $1,000 an ounce. So we have tomato seeds that are about $600 an ounce, and those are ones, obviously, we try our best to give a good value always, but those are ones that are tricky because they're just expensive, but you guys want them. So those are ones that we'll definitely hand pack as well. This arm flicks the seed out. This drum rolls around, and all the seed falls into the scoop. The scoop flings it out, drops it into this funnel, and then the funnel drops it into the seed packet. And then the seed packet goes around here, gets folded, and then comes out the other end. Now, if you're thinking, oh, that's way too simple, I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than that. It's pretty complicated. I made it look simple, but for the first 4 or 5 years, what I just did in 5 minutes would have taken me 2 hours to do. So it's by no means simple. Like I said, these take a lot of calibrating. So once it's calibrated, it's all good. And then every once in a while, if you throw a heavier seed on, you got to recalibrate it. So it takes a lot of know-how, but it's fun to use. It is fun. And obviously, too, when we hand packing takes 2 people, and this machine will do in the same amount of time what it takes 2 people to do. So it basically saves a person, which is, it's good. We only have so many people. These machines cost us right around $50,000 a piece. I know, definitely, but it does pay for itself. It really is nice to have these machines. So these machines are about $50,000 a piece. But the modern day ones, you're looking at anywhere from 90 to 120,000 and up for machines. So honestly, for what we're doing, you guys keep supporting the channel, keep supporting the MIgardener seed store, and maybe one day we'll get one. That's kind of on a wish list. But right now, we're happy with these machines because they work great. There's nothing wrong with them. And they do throw some seed out on the side. They do take some tweaking. They are a little loud, but I love them. So all these machines, they're basically piecemealed together. The company that puts these together and sells them, they basically take parts from every machine because these were, again, 100 to 60 years old. And so you'll have pieces that are 100 years old combined with pieces that are 60 years old. And so they kind of just piecemeal it all together, and occasionally you kind of paint pieces to make them look like they were meant to go together, but they're all kind of random bits and bobs put together to to make a machine. They'll often find parts over in Asia and Japan, as well as India a lot, and so they get the pieces back, and then they assemble them and eventually have enough to make a whole machine, and then they sell the machine. That's why they're so expensive. But still working, which is cool. So if it's not broke, don't fix it. All right, so we're just checking orders right now. It's one thing we really do. We are human, we make mistakes. So part of our day is just sitting on the line here. Orders that come full and ready to go come in here, and we just check them. So basically just making sure they get everything that they ordered. This one's going to Cheryl, so thank you, Cheryl. I appreciate it. All right, and then when it's all done, we pack it up and it goes out in the mail. Mail already came today, but generally it'll go out, and everyone usually gets their order sent out. I say usually within about 5 to 7 business days. Right now we're under a lot of pressure because there's a lot of orders, but that's kind of our average right now. So once the order is done, goes out in the mail. So then over here, this is a lot of times what we do as well. We'll do order fulfillment. So orders are printed there and they come over here. They go by zone. So this is like, obviously zone A1, zone A2, stuff like that. This one is zone A8. I'm in zone A8. So some sugar pie. Got some sugar pie pumpkin here. Got some Pum 3. And then you got a Pum 7, which is a Gerardale pumpkin. And then a Pumpkin 12. So generally it'd stop right there and the next person would take it down the line. But Squash 33 is a brand new one for 2024. This is the Bianco di Tresti melon, or Tresti squash. Really great zucchini. It's so beautiful. We have Sunflower 10, which is a mixed sunflower. Beautiful. Our brand new for 2024, Calabunga mix. So thank you so much, Elizabeth. I appreciate it. Now I'm not going to seal that up because, again, I may have made a mistake. So this is going to sit here till the morning, obviously, because it's 5 now. But this is going to sit here, and then someone will check it in the morning. It'll go out first thing in the morning mail. So on average, we send out about 700 orders a day, which is great. During peak season, we'll get up to about 800, 850 orders a day out per day. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. But that's just kind of an average day for me. What you don't see on the back end are all the emails I answer, all the social media I answer, different sales calls I make with growers, farmers, lots of that, especially right now. You also don't see, which, if just depends on the day really. It just was a day where it was a lot of, kind of general duties, but definitely a lot of emails, social media posts for sure. Uploading a video, that's all Ashlyn on Monday. So on Wednesday and Friday, that's me. I upload the videos, but it's fun. I love doing what I do, and it's really cool to work in a place where you feel like you're with a team of great people, like-minded individuals, and it's so cool to be able to do what I do for you guys. I know a lot of you support the Seed Store, and I thank you so very much. But if you don't, even just watching our videos, throwing a like, subscribing, telling a friend about what we do is awesome as well. And so I gotta be honest. It is a very humbling experience to be able to kind of show what we do, because a lot of people don't understand just how massive this operation is. It's a lot of work, and it's definitely not all me. It's mostly all the other amazing people we work with. So I'm just happy to be kind of a cog in that wheel and help make this engine go. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank you guys for kind of coming along with me for a day in the life. Again, just different today, but maybe we'll do another one where I'm doing other things, and maybe you'll be interested in that. Who knows? So let me know if you guys enjoyed in the comments box down below. And as always, this is Luke from the MIgardener channel, reminding you to grow bigger. Take care.